How to set up a new Trust wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up a new Trust wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it quick and easy with this video. In order to set up a new account on Trust Wallet, you can either get your Trust Wallet application from your Play Store or App Store, or the other option will be to head into your web and head into Trust Wallet website. Now here it's asking me directly to log in since I've already logged into my account. But even if you haven't yet logged in, you should be able to find the login option right there on the screen. So your login option should look in like this. Here you'll get two different options: create new wallet and add existing wallet. If you already have the account, if you want to log in, you want to simply tap on add existing wallet, and then you want to choose which option do you want to use to log in, either a secret phrase, the Swift, use your Face ID or fingerprint, Google Drive backup, and view only wallet. However, if you already want to create new wallet, you can tap on create new wallet and you can use which option do you want to use to create new wallet, either the secret phrase or the Swift, the fingerprint and beta. Now you can tap on create and go ahead through the prompts and create account easily. It's quick and easy. This is how you can set up a new Trust Wallet account or wallet. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.